Welcome! If you want to check phone model into your Nokia G50 5G, you need to open Settings and scroll down to the bottom. And here we got About Phone option, and in this option we got information. It's Nokia G50 and it's our model. If you click to About Phone option, if you don't change device name, here will be your phone model name. And if you check, for example, email 1 or email 2 for information, you got your phone model. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.